I am Reverend Sue Deacon. I'm a local minister, and this church has always been the official RAF church for RAF Scampton, and we're very proud of that. Men that served in the two world wars, the Cold War, and also those that died in peacetime. They will always be remembered. I feel very, very strongly that we keep saying we will remember them, we will remember them. But if we don't get children involved in this and don't tell children what's happened, we won't remember them. It will die out.
Hello, I'm Wing Commander Adam Collins, Officer Commanding the Red Arrows. This initiative aims to teach young people the meaning of remembrance by telling in the first person the personal stories of more than 100 aviators buried at the church. Many of these individuals fought to defend our skies during the Second World War. On behalf of the team, I hope this new heritage project gains widespread support and backing in order to ensure the stories of these fallen personnel are never forgotten.